Ultimately, they'll save your time, energy, and perhaps most importantly money. Whether you want to make sure your ingredients are mixed to proper ratios, your food is cooked to the perfect temperature, or you need some entertainment while you throw down in the kitchen, these 9 kitchen gadgets are sure to help you raise your game. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 9. Meter Smart Food Thermometer. BST for the inexperienced chef. If you already know what you're doing in the kitchen, there are honestly better ways to spend $69 than on the meter thermometer. And this is a major but, if you're still learning the difference between things such as braising and roasting, this little smart thermometer can be downright educational. Before you start cooking, you place the thermometer in the meat you're preparing. Tell it what the target temp is, what type of meat you're cooking, and it will deliver updates to your phone, apprising you of what temperature your food is at and how much longer it likely is to go. Assuming you're not attempting anything too complicated right off the bat, you'll quickly learn the ins and outs of preparing different foods in real time, and hopefully develop a more intuitive feel for preparing flawless roasted chicken. 8. Google Nest Hub. BST Digital Sous Chef. Once upon a time, small TV and radios used to be a fixture in kitchens everywhere. But in the age of the connected home, smart hubs have stepped in, taking up less counter space and adding a ton of functionality in the process. Setting a quick timer is as easy as a voice command. Getting a measurement conversion is as simple as asking Google Assistant. All of your recipes and cooking videos that you need can be viewed on the 7-inch screen via the Chrome browser or YouTube app. And there's a solid speaker packed in this thing as well, because who doesn't listen to music while chefing? And it comes in at under $100. So you won't be quite as concerned about handling this thing with hands covered in flour and oil. 7. Ninja Professional 1100-watt Blender BL660. The Ninja BL660 Professional Blender packs the performance and power to turn ice into snow in seconds. Perfect for those desperately needed adult beverages when the kids are at their friend's house or you've had a rough day at the office. This powerhouse comes with an 1100-watt motor, a 72-ounce BPA-free blender pitcher, and 2-to-go style 16-ounce blender cups for smoothies, etc. One of my favorite things, besides the power of this blender, is its price point. I really have a huge problem paying upwards of $300 to $500 for a blender brand like Vitamix. My Ninja is fantastic at blending both cold and hot drinks, smoothies, soups, purees, etc. A powerful blender like this will make light work out of not only crushing ice for that margarita or whiskey sour, but will also make velvety smooth soups and fruit smoothies. To prevent premature failure of the blender pitcher or blades, never put them in the dishwasher. The high temperature of the dishwasher environment will cause premature failure and crazing of the pitcher. 6. Chefman Vegetable Slicer 6-in-1 Food Prep Combo Kit. BST for reimagining vegetables, a bland steamed vegetable in its original form. We don't know her, or at least that's what Chefman wants you to think with its 6-in-1 vegetable slicer, complete with a spiralizer and immersion blender. The device contains a powerful, but quiet, 300-watt motor that will ensure you'll never need to master those knife skills again. Use it to slice, ribbon, grate, chop, and puree to create your favorite soups, salads, snacks, and more. It's also easy to clean and CL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Needless to say, you'll be well on your way to getting those daily fruits and vegetable servings your doctor recommends. 5. Innova Precision Cooker Nano Sous-vide Machine. BST for perfect light-cooked METS. If you tend to overcook meats or are just ready to kick your cooking up a notch, the Innova Precision Cooker Nano is the first kitchen gadget you should be reaching for. This wand-shaped device is a sous-vide cooker, which means that it heats a bath of water to the precise temperature you want your food cooked at, and then slow cook your meat or eggs or vegetables to perfection. The best part is that you don't have to worry about overcooking your food, because no matter how long you leave your food in the sous-vide bath, it will remain at whatever temperature you set the Innova Precision Cooker Nano to. Once dinner time rolls around, just give your meat a quick sear in the pan and enjoy your restaurant-quality meal. 4. Innova Precision Oven. BST Splurge. Air fryers may be all the rage right now, but for a more experienced chef, the future of cooking just may revolve around convection steam ovens. And currently, there's no better steam oven than the Innova Precision Oven. The Anova Precision Oven can control the temperature and moisture perfectly by strategically blasting your food with steam as it cooks, ensuring that your food doesn't overcook or dry out. It can even make you look like a genius when it comes to more advanced cooking adventures, such as baking bread. But more than just a really well-made oven, this thing can also air fry, cook meat sous-vide, and straight up steam rice and vegetables. But the cherry on top might be the fact that this is also a connected device that not only lets you monitor progress from your phone, but it has several downloadable cooking programs that can automatically take a single dish through multiple stages of cooking so that you get the perfect result every time. 3. Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus 10-in-1 Multi-Cooker. BST for busy chefs. Advanced home cooks may turn their nose up at the mere mention of an Instant Pot, but there is no denying the ease of use and versatility of the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus. This 10-in-1 multi-cooker can make rice, steam vegetables, cook pasta, boil eggs, braise meats, slow cook a stew, and more. While some features, such as the Sous-vide function, are better left to a standalone device, it's hard to argue against a single gadget that can replace a rice cooker, Dutch oven, crock pot, pressure cooker, bread maker, and steamer. This is even more true for those who live in a home where shelf and counter space is limited. Don't listen to the cooking snobs on this one. Instant pots are chill. 2. ThermoWorks Thermo Pop Food Thermometer. BST for avoiding food poisoning. We've all been there before. You were making dinner for friends, and you find yourself not wanting to give your guests food poisoning, trying to decide if the chicken is fully cooked or not. Or maybe you're searing a ribeye steak, and you're in search of that perfect medium rare level of doneness, knowing that a minute too long will leave you with an overcooked slab of meat. In either scenario, a food thermometer is one of the best kitchen gadgets for the job. A go-to for many a home cook, ThermoWorks Thermopop is cheap, accurate, and easy to use, able to quickly register the temperature of your food in Celsius or Fahrenheit. In addition to having a fun design, the probe sheath also has a clip, so you can always have it on you while cooking and won't have to waste precious seconds hunting through your kitchen. 1. Ascali Primo Food Scale. BST Overall Kit C Hand Gadget. A good digital food scale is perhaps the single most essential gadget you can have around the kitchen, full stop. Whether you're cooking, baking, pickling, or fermenting, adding precision to your repertoire is one of the quickest and easiest ways to improve your cooking skills. The Ascali Primo Food Scale is a tried and true option that is as durable as it is accurate. You might think a scale better serves you with a bunch of fancy features, but the truth is that the simplicity of the Ascali Primo is what makes it so good. On top of that, it's one of the most affordable options on this list as well. If you only buy one kitchen gadget from this list, make it the Ascali. Click on the links given in the description to buy these products. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your favorite product in the comment section. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.